Interested in a Bank of America credit card for cashback, travel, or building credit? Applying online is a quick process, and a little prep can help your chances. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Visit the Bank of America website or use their mobile app. Browse their credit card offers and select the one you want, like the customized cash rewards or travel rewards card. Click Apply Now. You'll fill out an application with your personal, financial, and employment information. Submit it, and you'll often get a decision within 60 seconds. If approved, your card will arrive by mail in about 7 to 10 business days. My crucial pro tip? Check for pre-qualified offers first. Log into your online banking. Bank of America often shows pre-qualified credit card offers tailored to you in the Offers section. Applying through a pre-qualified link can mean a higher chance of approval and sometimes better terms. Turn a few minutes online into a powerful new financial tool. Which Bank of America card perks interest you the most? For more clear financial guides, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.